Have you heard about fibermaxxing? It's the latest trend promising incredible digestive health, but is it just another fad? You might be wondering if drastically increasing your fiber intake is really the key to a happy gut. We're diving deep into the science to separate fact from fiction and reveal the real potential of fiber and a new player in gut health, postbiotics. Do you often feel tired, even after a full night's sleep? One often overlooked culprit could be a lack of fiber in your diet. Fiber plays a crucial role in energy levels by regulating blood sugar and supporting a healthy gut. When you're lacking fiber, your gut bacteria can become imbalanced, leading to inflammation and fatigue. Let's take a trip inside your gut. It's home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as your gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem influences everything from your digestion and immunity to your mood and energy levels. A balanced gut microbiome is key to overall health. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, which is essentially food for the good bacteria in your gut. When these bacteria munch on fiber, they produce beneficial compounds called short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs. These SCFAs nourish your gut lining, reduce inflammation, and provide energy for your body. SCFAs like butyrate, acetate, and propionate are powerhouses for your health. Butyrate fuels your gut cells directly, while acetate and propionate travel to your liver and other organs, influencing metabolism and reducing inflammation. They can even modulate gene expression and influence cell proliferation. These fatty acids can play a crucial role in cancer control through epigenetic mechanisms. Let's talk about hero foods. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and keep you feeling full. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning is a delicious way to kickstart your gut health. Adding berries and nuts boosts the fiber content even further. Legumes like lentils, beans, and chickpeas are fiber-rich powerhouses packed with protein and essential nutrients. They're also incredibly versatile. Add them to soups, salads, stews, or enjoy them as a side dish. Incorporating legumes into your diet can significantly boost your fiber intake. Now, let's explore the new frontier, postbiotics. These are the beneficial substances produced by probiotics when they ferment fiber in your gut. Think of them as the waste products of good bacteria, but don't let that fool you, they have powerful health benefits. Postbiotics offer a range of benefits, including strengthening the gut barrier, reducing inflammation, and supporting your immune system. They can even help manage conditions like IBS and allergies. What's more, they are more stable than probiotics, with a longer shelf life and easier standardization. Want to boost your postbiotic intake? Look no further than fermented foods. Foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, kefir, and sourdough bread are rich in both probiotics and postbiotics. They are created through fermentation. Ready to fibermax responsibly? Increase your fiber intake gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. Aim for a variety of fiber sources, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. And most importantly, drink plenty of water to help that fiber do its job. Ultimately, the best approach to gut health is to listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and adjust your diet accordingly. Fiber and postbiotics are powerful tools, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. Combine them with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management for optimal well-being.